Hi guys! Welcome to Business Reviews vlog. Today, ang re-review natin ay Insular Life Prime Care. Hindi ko alam kung 10 to. Nag-send out ako ng mga requests sa mga kakilala ko. Thank you, Popo. She referred a person and this person gave me proposals. She had some problems connecting to Zoom. I don't know why, pero it seems she's a bit more technologically challenged. I got this proposal in Word. Ganito yung nakuha ko, 5 separate files. Let's just say it was not the best way to present a proposal. So siguro ang expectation ko now compared to others, ang buying process ko kasi, I tell them my problem, they tell me the benefits that the product can solve, and malalaman ko which ones are like overstretching the coverage. And then I decide based on that. Here, clearly, it was not communicated. Either hindi niya alam i-send sa akin na maayos or whatnot, pero nahirapan siya. Pero ganito ko siya nakuha. I got 2 different proposals. One was a VUL, which is a Wealth Assure, which came in JPEG and a Word file. My experience when buying products, the salesperson walks me through the process of decision making. Actually, gulat na gulat ako kasi parang this is my first buying a complicated product this way was different. Hindi siya match sa expectation ko. So, hindi nag-equate. There's a very big gap on how this was marketed to me. And I'm pretty an easy sale, no? So, I have a problem. Is your product what solutions I'm looking for? Tell me what your product features and tell me if it fits what my needs. And then my budget. Dahil insurance to, I decide if I like you, kasi I'd be paying you, then, I choose you. That's it. In fact, my buying experience with insurance was really quick. Really quick lang. It's like, she was somebody I knew. I bought. After 2, 3, 4 meetings, siguro kinindatan niya ako. I'm saying this experience can be improved. Training needs to be done to custom fit this to how it's marketed to me. I think walang identification ng target. Hindi din na-customize yung communication towards me. So I see general statements. Even if the product was good and it was not presented well, something like a skill or knowledge gap na meron yung presenter, I stopped communicating kasi I didn't feel like I could go deep into conversation with the person who presented this to me. Before I i-review itong proposal na to, disclaimer. Madali lang i-review to kasi 1 page lang siya. It has the name of the product, the description, the plan, so probably it's until age 100, payment, and then sa baba, important things to remember. So I suppose these are disclaimers or notes. Me, my name, age. A standalone, simple issue, yearly renewable term plan for critical illness that pays a lump sum amount plus monthly cash allowances for 30 months in case the insured is diagnosed with any of the 35 covered critical illnesses. Red flag din sa akin yung covered illnesses na wala dito. I think that's very crucial for me if indemnity ang hinahanap ko, that the covered illnesses would be included in the proposal, kung may proposal stage na. Or not, it's explicitly mentioned in the contract, not as an additional file. Nakita kong ginawa to ng ibang insurance companies, no? Meron silang additional file na doon nakalagay yung critical illnesses na covered. That's a bad thing kasi they could change what's there and bigla kang hindi ka covered, no? I don't like that. Don't go for that. I would not recommend that. Kailangan black and white. Show me black and white. What you assure me, what you promise to do, and what I'm paying you to do. Hindi yung, I paid you this much and then along the way you change something that you don't like. Plan 100. So I'm supposing this is until age 99. That's usually how they do it. Treatment and care cash benefits. After 30 days of policy effectivity, if diagnosed with critical illness, lump sum payable is insured is equivalent to the 6 times of the monthly allowance of 100,000. So kung nagka-critical illness ka of any of the 35, you get 600,000 after 30 days of the policy. That's pretty good. Number 2, medical and recovery cash benefits. If insured survives a critical illness, monthly allowance of 100,000 for 30 months. O kung nabuhay ka, may 3M ka. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, huh? Disability cash benefits. If insured suffers a total and permanent disability due to diagnosed critical illness, at any time after 120 days of the diagnosis, lump sum cash benefit of 3M. In addition to continuance of money allowance of 100,000 till 30 months is completed. Okay, this is confusing kasi dalawa yung nakalagay sa kanan, no? I think these should be 2 different tables. Like sa baba, yung payments, dapat nang-iwalay siya, no? Kasi wala kang, what are these creatures on the right side that you're saying? Is that something I'm paying for? Is that the value? It seems like it's the value. I infer that. It's not explicitly mentioned. Be careful sa mga itong document, no? Kasi pag may inferred, that's dangerous. Don't do that. If they promise, they should put it in writing. Kapag ka nagka-critical illness ka, no? Meron ka ng initial na critical illness, nag-survive ka, meron kang disability. After 120 days of the diagnosis, why do I need to wait? I don't understand. lump sum cash benefit of 3M. In addition, continuous monthly allowance of. So it's like 6M. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Next, death benefits, life insurance. So ito yung death insurance. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-phrase nila talaga sa insurance. They just call it life. But you're actually dead. Insured dies 120 days after diagnosis of critical illness. Lump sum death benefit of 600,000 plus monthly allowance of 100,000 times unpaid months not exceeding 30 months. Kung nagka-CI ka, tas na disability ka, meron ka additional, lump sum benefit of 600,000 plus monthly allowance of 100,000 times unpaid months not exceeding 30 months. Why? I think this is to support the family members. Dapat ginawa nilang visual to. How do I interpret this? Okay? Ito yung pagkaka-interpret ko. Annual premium. So this is how much you're paying for. Annual premium 34,520. Semi-annual 18,301. Quarterly 9,315. If you look at the others, no, umaabot ng 200,000. Hindi ganun kadami yung coverage, pero like at this price, this is like insanely interesting. Important things to remember, this is a health term plan. Renewable annually up to 69. So renewable nga to. Which means, pag nagre-renew ka, pwedeng nag-i-increase yung binabayaran mo. Which is not good. This plan has no cash value and no maturity benefit. So that's normal for a term plan. Pag nag-mature yung plan, wala kang makuha. Wala kang investment, walang anything like that. Which is fine with me. I mean, I'm looking for indemnity. I'm not looking for an investment. Kasi if my goal was to grow 60% of my actual value by 10%, then that's that. And how much I allocate for defense. Yung 40% is for my defense. Like, that would be indemnity. And 30,000 is a small amount compared to my life. I think non-renewable forfeits all cash benefits of this health plan. Kung hindi na nagbayad, wala na. Medical exam is not required. Oh. This means sasagutin nila lahat ng pre-existing condition? Does that mean that? That's interesting. This plan gives you access to medical experts' best doctor for second opinion. This is also interesting kasi merong telemed yung iba where you can ask a doctor. And that's the entire plan itself. So, summarize natin. Please, kung may kakilala kayo na taga Insular Life, na kayang i-present sa akin ito ng maayos, let's redo this. Kasi kung maganda yung plan, ayoko mag-discount ng magandang product dahil lang pangit yung pagka-present. Just need somebody else to present it to be better. This is the shortest review I've had of a proposal. I mean, 1 page. Hindi ko nagagawa ng proposal scheme to. Ito na. If may list sila nung 35 illnesses na nagbabago yun, I don't like that. I want that explicitly in back of my NC. Wala akong nakikitang clause ng pre-existing condition. And probably because term to, no? Wala din masyadong disclaimers, which was refreshing at the same time naghahanap ako. Kasi there are some disclaimers na parang nire-require ni Insurance Commission na I did not see. Wala akong nakikitang understanding this or things like that. Maybe because it's a term product or renewable term. Will I buy this? Probably not. Because it's renewable. Kasi nga nag-i-increase yung brand, no? So that's it, guys. What do you think about this product? I hope you like this review. And if you haven't seen my other reviews, kinuwento ko din yung buying process ko, yung mga other insurance terms, and sundan nyo lang yung playlist ko from top to bottom. So starting from AXA pa ba, ina-explain ko yung mga terms, tsaka yung mga decision process ko along the way. So I'm in the process of looking for a critical insurance for myself. So I'm going through proposals. So if you want more content like this, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification icon para makasunod kayo sa akin. And yes, please watch the 2 playlists. One is searching for the best health insurance and policy proposal schemes. If you have comments, questions, suggestions, please let me know in the comments. And I'll be happy to reply to you. You can contact me through the YouTube comments or dun sa Facebook page ko. It's also facebook.com/businessreviewsblog. Thank you for watching. Bye.